Hello friends, welcome back to the series on Python. In this video, we will learn about list in Python. Let's say you have different values like numbers, strings. If you want to group them together, we are using the concept called list. Lists are just like dynamic sized arrays declared in other languages. A list may contain data types like integers, strings, float, as well as objects. The very important point about list is it is mutable. It means that they can be altered even after their creation. And the elements in the list are indexed according to the sequence. The indexing of a list starts with 0 and ends with size -1. Now we will see how to create a list and how to perform operations on a list. Okay, list elements has to be inside square brackets. And it can have any number of elements separated with comma. I am defining one list here and elements can be anything. Here I am taking integer elements. So if you want to know the size of list, how many elements are there in the list, you can go for using the predefined method called length, len of list. You can see the number of elements in the list are 5. Now, how to access the elements of a list? List elements can be accessed by using index. So, if I use list of 0, so it is going to display the first number in the list, that is the number at index 0. And if I use list of 4, it is going to give me the last element in the list. Because the list elements are starting with index 0 and ending at size -1. Total size is 5 and it will be 5 -1, 4. So 29 is at index 0, 34 is at 1, 12 is at 2, 3 is at 3, 1 is at 4. Okay. So if I display list of 4, it has displayed me 1. What if I want to print in between the list till last? Let's say I want to display the elements from index 2 till last. You can see from 12 it has displayed till last. Okay. And what if I want to display the middle 2 elements or middle 3 elements? Let's say I want to display elements from index 2 to 4. You can do like this. You can also have negative indexing in list. If I use list of -1, it is going to traverse the list in reverse order. It means that if I use list of -1, it is going to display the last element in the list. You can see 1 got displayed. And if I use like list of -2, the second last element has displayed. Okay. So in this way, you can access the list elements. Okay. Now we will see what are the methods, inbuilt methods can be used with list. Append method. Append method appends the element at end of the list and it will take one argument, that is element. Okay. So it is going to add the element at end of the list. Let's say I have one list. Now I want to append the element 5 to the list. You can see 5 got appended at end of the list. Okay. If you want to insert the element in between the list, you go for using the method called insert, and it takes two arguments, one is position and another one is value, and it is going to add the value at specified position in the list. Okay. Let me show you. I want to insert the element 18 at the index 4. You can see 18 got inserted into the list at index position 4. Can we delete the element from the list? Yes, we can delete. So for that we have two methods. One is pop, another one is remove. So pop is a method which is used to delete the element from the list at the given index position and then displace it. Whereas remove method will take the argument as element and it removes the specified element. Okay. So the difference between pop and remove is pop method will take the position as argument remove method will take the element as the argument. Okay, so pop method will displace the element to be deleted and then deletes it, whereas remove method will directly delete the element from the list. List dot pop, I want to pop out the element at index position 3. You can see I have the value 7 at index position 3, and if I print the list, you can see 7 will not be there in the list. Yes. Now I'll show you how to use remove method. So I just wanted to remove 6 from the list. Okay, if you print the list, so 6 is not there in the list. What if you try to remove the element which is not there in the list? Let's check now. I want to delete the element 3. You can see X is not in list. Okay, so this is about the difference between pop and remove method. Okay, can we add more than one element to the list at a time? Yes, of course we can add. We can add more than one element to the list at a time by using the method called extend. Now I want to add more than one element to the list at a time. I want to add 56, 7, 89, 0. You can see now 4 elements have added to the list by using extend method. Okay, here extend method is used to add more than one element to the list at a time. Can we delete more than one element from the list at a time? Yes, of course you can delete by using the predefined method called del. Now I want to delete elements from the list from index 2 to last. Now if I print list, so it has displayed only the element at index position 0 and index position 1, and from index position 2 to till last the elements have deleted from the list. Okay, so if you want to delete a single element, you can use remove method, or if you want to delete the element at specified index position, you can use pop method. This is about operations performed on a list. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you have understood this concept. So if you have any doubts, please put a comment. Okay, and please like, share, and do not forget to subscribe my channel Code Scapping. Thanks for watching.